Let's take a look at some lifted increases. We're going to do a right lifted increase, and you do that by lifting the loop from the row below here, and you're going to knit into it. So you can lift it up, you can just poke your needle into the back like this and knit it, just like so. And then remember that you have to knit this stitch as well. And it's going to create an increased stitch on the right side that's very subtle. Now, if you want to do it on the left side, you're going to do it after you've knit the stitch. But this time, remember, it's going to be in the same location. Last time it was here, but because you've worked one more stitch, you want it to be down here. So you're going to grab this stitch, the side of this, and knit into it. And that is going to create a left-leaning lifted increase.